Hi, I'm Chef George Mendez and I'm the owner and executive chef of Ohio Japanese Comfort Food. I also have Tadeo Filipino-Mexican Comfort Food, which is located in Quezon City. I also have other concepts like Bird Tubs and Hatch Manila, which is located also in Quezon City as well. I've been a chef for 10 years and doing a food consultancy for quite a while. At this very moment, I'm very excited because I'll be using world-class quality and reliable Koizumi kitchen appliances. So join me and let's create a delicious yet very easy recipes using Koizumi small kitchen appliances. Hi guys, so last time gumawa tayo ng beef burger. So today, we will be doing another burger, but this time, crispy chicken burger. Tara, let's cook it using induction cooker and grill pot.
So for our crispy chicken burger, the ingredients we're going to use are, first for our batter, water, cornstarch, and flour, chicken powder, black pepper, salt, white sugar, baking powder, paprika, cayenne, and soy sauce. Other ingredients are, syempre, we need to have a buns, mustard, mayonnaise, cayenne pepperlet, and then tomato, red onion, pickle relish, and some lettuce. So for our batter, mix lang natin yung flour, cornstarch, and the rest of dry ingredients, pepper, cayenne, paprika, salt, baking powder, white sugar. Then mix our soy sauce with water. Then gradually add to our dry mixture. Set aside. Then let's move on to our chicken. So for our chicken, season lang natin with salt. Other side. Before natin isa lang yung chicken, add tayo ng batter dun sa dry flour natin. So yan yung magiging crispy part ng chicken natin or yung crust niya. So we have three stages here before we fry our chicken. So we need to have a batter. So at this one naman yung flour natin with batter for our crust, and then yung dredging flour natin. So let's proceed. First, flour muna. Make sure lightly lang yung pagkaka-flour natin, yung pagkaka-coat natin sa chicken. Then batter. Light lang din. Last step. After natin sa last stage, then fry. So fry lang natin siya for 6 minutes. By the way guys, Koizumi grill pot is 2000 watts. Very easy to use. Glass cover top surface, easy to wipe off dirt and clean. Maximum weight is up to 3 kilos including the pot. Metal uses aluminum alloy, good durability and corrosion resistance. Okay na yung chicken natin. So let's finish our burger na by toasting our bread. So by the way guys, Koizumi induction cooker is 2000 watts. Very easy to use. Glass cover top surface, easy to wipe off dirt and clean. Maximum weight is up to 3 kilos including the pot. Metal uses aluminum alloy, good durability and corrosion resistance. Let's proceed to our plating. Let's get our plate in our Koizumi dish dryer. So this is it, our crispy chicken burger.